The MX2501 Bluetooth pH and temperature logger is designed for long-term pH monitoring in estuaries, lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans. This video will provide guidance on how to properly replace the electrode. The pH electrode should be replaced after 6 months of use, or when the slope and the offset values from calibration indicate that the electrode condition has deteriorated. To begin, remove the copper guard from the logger if it is installed and wipe the logger clean. Next, remove the sensor end closure cap by unscrewing it and sliding it off of the logger. Slowly pull the sensor end cap straight out from the logger, making sure not to twist it. The pH electrode should have come out with sensor end cap. Slowly and gently pull the electrode out of the sensor end cap. Removing the electrode too quickly could result in unseating the two internal O-rings. Use a foam swab dipped in water to clean the internal O-rings. Then use a new foam swab to spread a dot of silicone-based grease on the internal O-rings. Never use cotton swabs to lubricate O-rings, as fibers left behind may interfere with their proper function. Remove the replacement electrode from the storage bottle. Gently dry the body of the electrode while avoiding touching the glass bulb. Gently and slowly push the replacement electrode into the sensor end cap. You should feel the electrode passing the two internal O-rings. If this is done too quickly or forcefully, it is possible that the O-rings will be unseated and water will infiltrate the logger. You can mitigate the possibility of this happening by watching as the electrode is pushed into the end cap. If the O-ring does become unseated, you should be able to see it. Without twisting it, push the sensor end cap straight back into the logger. Use the large tab and the arrow on the logger housing to ensure proper alignment. The end cap also has a small tab on it that fits into the groove in the threading on the body of the logger. Screw the closure cap back onto the logger body. Be careful not to over-tighten the closure cap. It only requires hand tightening. Remember to always store the electrode in the proper storage solution whenever it isn't being used or calibrated. If you have any questions or concerns, our technical support team is ready to assist you.